Gigi, what do you have? Rolo. 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 What do you have, Rolo? Where is it, Rolo? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, Rolo. What do you have? What do you have? What does he have, Gigi? What do you have, Gigi? Get it, Rolo. Go get it, Rolo. Go get it, Rolo. Go get it from Gigi. Get it. Ooh, get it, Rolo. Get it. Get it, Rolo. Good boy. Get it, Rolo. Uh-oh.
It's Crab Fest at Red Lobster. The best time to crack it. Twirl it. Dunk it. And discover more new ways than ever to enjoy crab. Like our new Crab Lovers Trio.